In this tutorial, you will learn how to import original ground level (OGL) data. OGL data can be directly entered into RoadEstimator or it can be imported from a CSV file. Select OGL option from Data menu. The OGL data window opens. OGL data has to be in tonnage, offset, elevation and remarks format. You have to denote left offset with negative sign and right offset with positive sign. Data can be entered directly in the sheet, or it can be imported from a CSV file. Select the file from where you want to import OGL data. Click the Open button. Specify the column numbers of CSV file from where you are importing the data. In this case, tonnage is in first column, offset in second. Elevation in third and remarks is in fourth column. Click the Import button to import data. As you can see, data is imported for all the tonnages. Data will be sorted automatically from left offset to right offset. You can edit or add any field information in this sheet. To edit, select particular field and edit data. You can add data by entering it at the end of sheet. Save and close the window. You can view the OGL line by processing the data by clicking on Process Data button. Click the Process Data button and close the window. Datum is selected automatically for cross-section. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the EasyTricks YouTube channel for more videos.